Okay, so what if you could actually reset the clock on how you look and feel? And I'm not talking about spending a fortune on fancy creams or treatments. What if it all came down to a few simple daily habits? Today, we're diving into a powerful 10-habit blueprint for wellness that honestly starts from the inside out. Let's get right into it.
You know the deal. We're constantly sold this idea that youthfulness is something you buy in a bottle. But what if the real secret is way, way simpler than that? What if it's actually woven into the small, consistent choices we make every single day? That's exactly what we're going to unpack. All right, let's start with our first pillar, fuel. And I love this one because it's a perfect reminder that looking and feeling vibrant is truly an inside job. It all kicks off with what you're putting into your body. So this really boils down to 4 key habits for fueling yourself the right way. We're talking about eating mostly whole foods, getting enough protein, hitting your vitamin C goals, and, this is a big one, using the right fats when you cook. Sounds pretty straightforward, right? Well, let's zoom in on a couple of these. Here we go, a perfect example of a clear, actionable target. It's not just some vague advice like, get more vitamin C. Nope, it's a specific goal, 200 milligrams or more, every single day. So why that number? Well, vitamin C is absolutely essential for creating collagen. You know, the protein that basically keeps our skin firm and bouncy. Hitting this target is like making a daily deposit into your skin's health account. Now this is one of the easiest, most impactful swaps you can make in your kitchen. The guidance is super clear. Stop cooking with those industrial seed oils. When you heat them up, they can really drive up inflammation in your body. Instead, you just switch to stable, healthy fats like a good extra virgin olive oil, butter, or even ghee. Seriously, it's such a simple change with a huge payoff. Okay, so once your body's got the right fuel, it's time to fire up the engine. And that brings us to our second pillar, movement. This is the key to keeping your body strong, toned, and just buzzing with energy. And look, this is not about living in the gym for hours on end. It's a really smart, balanced 3-part plan. You've got your daily foundation, just walking, then you've got your strength sessions a few times a week with weightlifting, and finally, some targeted core work to keep your posture on point. Put them all together, and you've got a complete routine for a seriously strong and resilient body. And boom, this is where it all starts to click together. Remember that fuel habit about protein? Well, here's the why. That protein is literally what your body uses to build and repair the very muscles you're working in the gym. Plus, it's crucial for keeping your skin looking firm and healthy. See, it's all connected. All right, on to our third and final pillar, lifestyle. This is about the big picture choices, the little daily details that protect your body and really tie everything else we've talked about together. I mean, what else is there to say? The message here is as direct and powerful as it gets. Out of everything you can possibly do for your long-term health and your appearance, not smoking is right at the top of the list. It's just a non-negotiable. Full stop. But lifestyle isn't just about what you need to avoid, right? It's also about the good stuff you should actively embrace. And that's our final habit, getting out there and getting some sensible sun exposure, spending time outdoors. It's a great reminder that some of the most powerful anti-aging tools are totally natural, completely free, and actually fun to do. So, as we pull all these pieces together, it really helps to stop thinking of them as just random tips. Think of them as a true blueprint, a detailed, intentional plan for building long-term wellness and vitality. And here it is, all laid out for you, your 10-habit blueprint. You can see how it covers everything: how you fuel your body, whole foods, protein, healthy fats, how you move your body, walking, lifting, core work, and how you live your life, avoiding what hurts you and embracing what heals you. Each one is a pretty simple action on its own, but when you put them all together, man, that's a powerful strategy for looking and feeling your absolute best. So there you have it. The blueprint is right in front of you. It's in your hands now. The only real question left is, which one of these habits are you going to start tomorrow?